In this video, we'll be taking you on a tour of the Aria, a luxury resort and casino located at the City Center complex on the Las Vegas Strip. The hotel features world-class restaurants, technologically advanced rooms and suites, and is committed to environmental sustainability. It is a recipient of the AAA 5 Diamond Award and a 5-star rating from Forbes Travel Guide. We first made our way to the lobby for check-in. Fall is definitely in the air as we walk through the beautifully decorated lobby, which lets in plenty of natural light. Let's take a look at our room at the Aria, room 15047. So on the right side is a bunch of storage closets. Here's the first one, and some drawers. And another storage closet with a couple of robes. And on the left side is the bathroom. This one has a bathtub and a shower combo. And there's a shower. It's a double sink bathroom. And here's the toilet. Now let's head over to the bedroom. So there's an office desk right there with the TV, a snack bar with the fridge with all the other snacks. So these are all automated, so once you remove the item, the hotel will charge you. A sitting area with 2 chairs. And there is our view. We have a view of the pool of the Aria. And here is a king-size bed. They also provide you with this tablet for room service or anything else you need from the hotel. You can just do it all from this tablet. And that is a quick tour of our room here at the Aria. The Aria features a plethora of restaurants to satisfy even the most demanding palate. Enjoy wholesome sandwiches, salads, and freshly squeezed juices at Aria Patisserie, which is open 24 hours a day. Bardot Brasserie by Chef Michael Mina features iconic French comfort food and an array of both New World and Old World wines. Blossom features a large menu of modern and traditional Chinese dishes presented in a serene and opulent atmosphere. Carbone pays homage to the Italian-American restaurants of the mid-20th century. Catch is the go-to dining for celebrities and serves Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. Yes, this is the restaurant where Britney Spears was smacked down by Victor Wembanyama security. Cathedral is the newest restaurant to open at the Aria. It's a French Mediterranean restaurant and bar in a stunning setting. Din Tai Fung is a Taiwanese dumpling and noodle house known for their xiaolongbao, a Chinese soup dumpling filled with seasoned pork. Javier's serves high-end Mexican cuisine and premium margaritas in a lively setting with eye-catching decor. Jean George's Steakhouse serves the highest quality meats and seafood, complemented by an innovative array of side dishes and sauces. Julian Serrano Tapas serves Spanish dishes on small plates with big flavors. Lemongrass serves creative takes on Thai dishes in a sleek setting inspired by silk factories. Moneyline Pizza and Bar serves pizza, light bites, and craft beers. Looking for something outrageous? Try the $100 Posh Royal Burger made with Wagyu beef, foie gras, and gold dust. Stop by Proper Eats Food Hall, where you will find a variety of food stalls such as Egghead, Soulbird, Tamaki Bar, and Wexler's Deli. Salt and Ivy Cafe and Patio Bar serves American favorites in a casual dining setting with indoor and outdoor seating. Looking for a night out with friends? Well, check out Jewel Nightclub, which is the next generation of luxury nightlife offerings. The lively club features state-of-the-art lighting and world-class DJs and artists. Tory Lanez was a featured artist when we went back in 2019. Stop by Alibi Ultra Lounge for live DJ entertainment starting at 9 p.m. from Thursday to Monday. Watch your favorite team while enjoying bar-top gaming at Gem Bar, located in the heart of the casino floor. For the high rollers out there, check out the High Limit Lounge for a more private gaming experience. Lift Bar features signature cocktails in a relaxed setting at the edge of Aria's gaming floor. The prime location of the lobby bar makes it the perfect place to kick off an evening at the Aria. Sky Pool is exclusive for Sky Suites guests in the summer. It features luxurious amenities, personalized services, drink service, and an upscale Vegas getaway. There are 2 other pools which are open to all guests. Cabanas, gazebos, daybeds, and lounge chairs are available for reservation. Make sure to stop by the pool bar to grab some food and drinks. For a more Las Vegas party vibe, check out the Liquid Pool Lounge. Hotel guests get complimentary access, but special events require purchase of a ticket. You can reserve one of these cabanas with its own private pool area. For a more pampered experience, book a treatment at the Spa and Salon. Awarded the prestigious Forbes Travel Guide 5-Star Award, the Spa and Salon at Aria is the largest Forbes 5-star spa in the world. Need to burn off all that eating and drinking? Stop by the Modern Fitness Center powered by innovative techno-gym equipment. Aria conveniently has an air tram to take guests to Bellagio, Crystals, and Vdara. The hotel is also connected to Park MGM, so there is no need to step outside when going to either property. The Aria is beautiful, modern, and has a less chaotic vibe compared to other hotels on the Las Vegas Strip. We loved our stay here and wouldn't hesitate to come back. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave any questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and check out our other videos.